Welcome to Market Snapshot from the Incred Equities Desk. In this podcast, our expert from the Equities Research team helps you navigate the stock markets with a quick roundup on the previous day's closing, along with relevant insights.
Good morning, everyone. Nifty had an interesting session yesterday. It went lower. It was almost down 200 points at one point in time. And even the broader markets were under significant pressure. They were down more than 2%. However, Nifty bounced back from 23,500, something which we spoke about earlier as well. And with this, it has formed another pattern. It is going to be slightly complex. I'll try to explain in simple terms. So the fall that we have seen, after that we had a rise. Nifty went till 24,200. We went back lower towards 23,500 yesterday. So this kind of fall is basically two things. One, in a simpler terms, Nifty might be forming a small double bottom formation where the first low was around 23,460, 465 something on the spot side. And if yesterday's low, which was again slightly below 23,500, if that sustains that, and if that turns out to be low, then we have early signs of double bottom formation, in which case Nifty can head towards 24,200 or close about 24,200, can push it towards 24,100. Second and slightly more complex will be Elliott wave. Same pattern, the fall that we witnessed earlier from 26,300, and we have been falling lower, and the fall after we witnessed a rise till 24,200 in this fall. That might be formation of or rather completion of a wave B, a smaller wave B, and we may see a rise again to form wave C. Now this wave C will, once this ends, whether 24,200, 25,100, wherever this ends, this will mark the completion of a larger wave B, and final correction, which I have been talking about to form wave C, will start. So it might be a little bit complex, but to put things in perspective, remember two things. One, Nifty is showing early signs of double bottom formation. Second, Nifty can go higher if the yesterday's low, or if 2460, if that is sustained, and if it does not go below that, then it may rise to form a smaller wave C. So both the patterns are signaling towards a small rise. It may be an interesting rise also, but for now they are signaling towards a 2-3% upside from the current level. So one should not be in hurry to shorts. If somebody was bought based on our recommendation yesterday, can keep holding it, keeping stop loss at 23,460. It's a high reward setup. It goes below 23,460, you will tend to lose some amount of money, 70 points. But if it indeed turns out to be bottom, then we are looking for a 400, 500, even 1,000 point upside. So that is the kind of risk reward it is Nifty showing at this point in time. Bank Nifty was weak throughout. It closed around channel support area. If it's closing below 49,400, 300, then we may see pressure which should below by another 1,500 to 2,000 points. There is a critical support for Nifty and Nifty Bank Index both. Between Nifty and Bank Nifty looks better. US markets yesterday closed on a slightly positive note, more of a flattish kind of move, but then there was a recovery from lower levels. And FIs yesterday sold around 3,400 crores, domestic bottom 2,700 crores worth in cash. So again, if there's the intensity is reduced by FI, we may see a bounce back that can also be supportive. GIFT Nifty is pointing towards a 35 points cut as we speak, so likelihood will open on a flattish to mild negative note. As I said, if yesterday's lows are sustained, we may see a bounce back, and next 4 to 5 trading sessions can see a very sharp upside in Nifty. So that is it from my side. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.